Hi guys! Today's video is going to be a little bit different for me. It is an unboxing of a product that I am super excited about. I bought it recently because it went on sale, the most I have ever seen it go on sale. You're laughing because I said it went on sale and I only ever buy things when they're on sale. But honestly guys, this went so cheap. Like usually it's about like $340, and then I went on the Adore Beauty website one day and it was like 20% off all of this brand, and I was just like and then I clicked on it and added it to the cart and it was an additional like 5% off for some reason. I have no idea why. It was just like this one and the other type. But anyway, with that like vague description, I am going to tell you what I got. I got the Cloud9, the original iron gift set. Cloud9 is a very expensive brand of heat tools for your hair. They also sell like accessories like little combs and stuff like that. So if you were interested in purchasing a high-end hair straightener or curler, they actually do curlers as well, this could be it for you. I have heard such good things about this brand. Like I know so many people who love these things, like these items, so I'm so excited to try it. So I obviously got the original iron. I didn't realize it was a gift set. I think it's just titled a gift set because it comes with a case, because like I didn't really order a gift set. Like I swear it didn't say a gift set on the website. It just said like the original iron, which I am super excited about. So I'm gonna open it for you guys. As you can tell, it is like super gorgeous, super luxurious packaging. And here is how it looks on the inside. We've got the case here and the hair straightener here, and it's absolutely adorable. I'm so excited. This is how the case looks. It's got like this sort of like stitched lid, or like the top of it, and then it's got the embroidered C9, which is the symbol of the Cloud9 brand if you didn't know. And it also has this C9 zip as well, which is really cool. It comes with this plastic bag full of air to stuff it out. I think this is just the regular travel case. I believe that's what it's called. I'm not 100% sure. I'll put it down below anyway, which one it comes with. But I've just realized that the embroidery is actually the logo too. So it's like the C with the 9 in it, which is cool. It's a cool detail, and that's on the bottom and the top if you're interested. So now we have a straightener, which is pretty exciting. I'm pretty excited. Also, this box is so luxurious. It's like a material, like I don't even know. It feels like clothes. But anyway, let me pull this out for you. It's like a proper material. I wonder if this is like heat resistant. I feel like this might be heat resistant. It even has a label on the box. I feel like this is like a heat resistant tray. I could be wrong. So here we have the iron. It comes with a power cord, like all things do, wrapped up with the little rubber seal over the prongs. Anyway, it comes with this really interesting heat guard. It has warranty information stuck to this one because obviously I haven't used it yet. You need to register your iron apparently. And this is how the iron looks. It is absolutely gorgeous. Its temperature gauge is actually, I'm not sure if you can tell, it's just on the inside here. So this is how you tell, how you set the temperature. And it's got the little Cloud9 symbol down here as well, and this like super shiny holographic sticker. But anyway, I am just gonna unwind this, plug it in, and get started. Oh, also this is like a fully rotatable swivel cord, which is super handy. Oh, it actually also, it has an on and off switch on the inside panel, on the other side to the temperature gauge. Sorry, this is like the hardest spot to show because I can't open it any wider than that. I really think these things are cool. Why do I think like weird things are cool all the time? I'm not sure. I did also just read the instructions, and it said to actually never wrap your cord around the hair curler. So that's really good to know because I feel like I always do that. Or the hair straightener, sorry, it's a straightener. I'm not gonna lie, I did purchase this because I wanted to curl my hair with it. So it'll be interesting to see how we go with that because it's a very expensive item. Hopefully it works better than the last thing that I bought. Okay, so I'm just going to turn it on, which is in here, this little switch. Boom, and you can see the lights come to life. and it is flashing, so it is heating up to the temperature. The base temperature is 150 degrees, which it's already just heated up to. See, solid lights. The instructions also said it heats up to its maximum temperature in 20 seconds, which is amazing. I'm just gonna straighten, because my hair is so straight already. I'm gonna straighten a section of my hair though. I'll just straighten like this part here. Is there a curl? This side has like a sort of cowlick right now, so I'm just gonna straighten that so you can see how it looks straightened. I never straighten my hair, so this is really weird. I legitimately just curl my hair all the time. I've only left it on 150 degrees because I have super fine hair as well, so I feel like I don't need much. There you go, straight. It's so straight. My hair is already quite straight, but I feel like actually, oh Jesus, that was close. Whew, nearly lost it on myself. I feel like where I've straightened has made my hair look a lot less frizzy, which is nice because I'm not sure if you can tell, I did wash my hair last night and I have been having issues with frizz lately. I've been using a lot of like testing out a lot of different products, and the products I used last night I think made my hair look less frizzy than usual, which is nice, but still I can tell where I've straightened it and my hair feels soft. My hair feels so soft. Like where I've straightened it feels so soft. That's weird. Sorry. I told you I never straighten my hair, so I'm like, is that normal? Tell me, is it normal? That feels so good. I'm just gonna do like a few more places, just straighten it, just so we can see the effects. I don't know how slow you're supposed to go as well. I feel like I probably have like the easiest hair in the world to straighten because it's just fine. Probably do massive chunks at once. And I do only have it on 150 degrees. Oh, I should probably tell you as well, the minimum temperature I believe is 100 and it goes up to 200, and then above 200 there's a high, so I'm pretty sure it goes to like 210 would probably be the maximum. I could be wrong though. What do we think, guys? What do we think? I feel like my hair looks so sleek and shiny. Like you can tell I only did 3 spaces, and I did like the first one I kind of did as a chunk, but then the other 2 I did more like the top layer, and I feel like you can tell like this side is so much more sleek than this side. Like this side, see, you can see like it's kind of fluffy here, there the fluff, but here it's like bam. Yeah, I definitely feel like you can tell. What do you guys think? You're probably all like, girl, I've straightened my hair before. Whereas I'm like, I have straightened my hair, just not for a very long time because my hair is very straight. And usually I just wear it up because I have issues with when I wear my hair down, that I pull it, like I play with it and I pull it out, which isn't great. I have to take care of my hair, and it's like very thin. I feel like I don't have much hair, but I'm loving this. I feel like it looks so nice. Like I can tell it looks shinier on this side where I've straightened. Can you see this? I don't know if you can see this, but I'm just like, this is. And legitimately, it feels so much softer. I don't understand. How does this happen? Tell me. It says that it has Kinder styling technology, innovative variable temperature control, intelligent smart tech, and signature mineral infused ceramic plates designed to lock in moisture and proven to be kinder to hair. So this bag is a luxury heat resistant style case. This is the protective silicone heat guard. It comes with a 3-meter swivel cord and 30-minute hibernation mode. So for all of you that like tend to accidentally leave your appliances on by accident, like your hair straighteners, it will turn off after 30 minutes. So that's good because, you know, you don't want to burn your house down or anything like that. I really don't understand this though, like this thing that it comes in. I feel like this has to be heat resistant, but it doesn't say anything. It's like solid, like there's like cardboard in it, but it just has this mat. I'm pretty sure this is like a heat resistant material. And I'm like, why would they put the tag on it if it was just like an insert in a cardboard box? You know, I feel like it has to have a use. And I feel like usually luxury products like do, like they double with like stuff like that. Like the stuff that they package it with is also useful for something usually. Yeah guys, so far I am loving this. Now for the fun bit. The reason that I bought this was not to straighten my hair, which is dumb. I bought this to curl my hair. I know. Which I know a lot of people can actually curl their hair with straighteners, and I don't really have one. Like my sister has one and I did try a few months ago to curl my hair with it and I was able to, sometimes, but that is the whole reason that I bought this product. So we're going to try curling our hair today and we're going to see how that looks. So I'm pretty sure I'm just going to start with this front piece here, even though I really probably should start with a back piece, but I just figured this will be easier for you to see. I'm going to go like this. I believe you have to go and then like twist it away. Oh, that's not it, that's not it, that's not it. Oh, I've done something. I'm leaving it on 150 as well, just because like I feel like this is going to take me a little bit. Okay, first of all, I'm doing the wrong thing. I'm curling it towards my face when you really need to curl it away, and that just doesn't feel quite right. Guys, I swear I just like searched how to do this like on Pinterest not too long ago, so why can I not do it now? Oh no, wait, you know what? I think that's right. That's it. So you want to spin it around and then pull it down, and that was definitely, ow, I just pinched my fingers. Okay, I'm just gonna come back to you, figure this out on my own and come back. Okay, so this has taken me a little while and a lot of like Googling and Pinteresting, but I roughly have an idea of how to do it, and I nearly dropped that. And so I'm going like this, and I'm twisting up and then twirling this around so awkwardly, and then I'm just sliding it down, holding slowly and holding, I'm sliding it down slowly and always holding the tip, and then it's curled, and then you kind of like need to flick it out. Obviously I'm not doing the smoothest action at the moment. This is like the first time I've really properly sat down and tried this, so this is probably not the best time for me to be filming this video, but I wanted to show you guys my first like proper impressions of this hair straightener. And I am loving it, I'm not gonna lie. It's just the curling part. When you curl with a straightener, I've never found it easy. I've never really been able to do it, and I find it confusing. Like sometimes I find that I can do it and then sometimes it doesn't work for me, but I am getting it a little bit. So clamp, twist away, and then flip the hair over, and then slowly pull it down. I am finding I'm not like the smoothest at moving it, and obviously all my curls start in different spots. Like some of them start higher than others because some of them I've done a bit better, but it is working, so I'm happy. I just wonder how long it's gonna last. The only thing is I'm actually trying out a curling product at the moment that I've been trying out for months, that I actually filmed. I started filming a video 4 months ago, and then I decided I didn't want to give my complete and total first impressions because they weren't amazing, and I wanted to properly learn the product. And I'm still, the jury's still out on that product, so it's gonna be like a delayed response on that. But you'll see this curling video come out from me in a month or two, and you'll be like, that's what she was talking about. I had this in mind for a quick and easy video, and it's taken me so long to figure out how to do this, but I am loving the way they look. Like, can you see that? Some of them, obviously this front one as well, I've noticed if I go over areas too much, it doesn't really change it. But this is only 150 degrees, and my normal curling wand is like 210 degrees, and that's the only temperature it heats to. And my normal curling wand is like $250 as well, so it's not cheap either. But I'm loving this. Like, I think that's so nice. I'm just gonna do a few on this side, just so you can see the front, and then I'm gonna go and finish the back, I think. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to try and do this the other side. I have such a small mirror for this as well, which is like horrifying. I'm like, don't burn your hands. Oh no. See, that's the only thing. I like, because I'm not used to using plates like this. Like, sometimes I do that. I like drop the hair. Can I do it with this hand, or is that like not a thing? Let's try. Oh, I feel like I'm curling it the wrong way. I think I have to do it with the other hand, which is a bit horrifying. I feel like I've done this too much. Oh no, you know that worked, just not amazingly. I think I have to like spring it up. I feel like with all like hair curling, you have to like learn it on one side and then learn it on the other. It never feels the same on both sides, because like obviously you have a dominant hand, and one side you're going to be able to use it the way that you want, and the other side you're not going to be able to use it as much. Okay, that was not the right thing. I'll be back. I'm going to keep practicing on this side. Okay, so this side I did front to back and this side I did back to front. And I'm not going to lie, this side is much more difficult for me. I don't know actually why. Usually I feel like I do better on this side. But, oh well, today this is just something that my brain can't comprehend. Ooh, I'm kind of sick. I think I'm doing it in the wrong direction. But basically, it is working. I just need to practice 100%. Need to practice. This is definitely a user error thing because I feel like it's doing such a good job. Thank God it has like kinda hair technology or whatever it was called, because my poor hair is probably screaming right now. I have a bit of, oh my god, actually do you see this like chunk? That's bloody growth. See, I feel like I lost a lot of hair. I've been taking hair vitamins. Like I feel like I lost a lot of hair at some point and I'm getting some growth back, which is good. I don't know, that's probably why I actually did lose like hair, and that's why my hair is so much thinner than it used to be. So I probably shouldn't be using heat tools on it, but I love having curly hair. Like I love curling my hair, and I'm doing a really bad job on this side. I'm sorry guys, this is not by any means a professional, like a how to curl your hair. I just wanted to kind of give you a tip on like this is how I'm doing it, and I just wanted to show you how this product has worked for me, or how, you know, on my first time. And I definitely would say, out of all the ways I've curled my hair, this is definitely the most difficult. So it's something that you really have to practice. But I do believe that with like all hair curling techniques, even when they're like, oh, it's so simple and it like sucks your hair onto this thing, it's like, yes, it takes a lot less practice. That's something that like sucks your hair in and just does it like right there for you, than like say this. But this, it all still takes practice. I've definitely gotten better at this as I've been doing it. If you have any other tips or anything like that that can help me learn how to do this better, because I want to be really good at this. Like I want to be good at curling my hair with a straightener or a flat iron. See, look at that, like that tiny little bouncy one. I'm getting it real good right at the end, which like is kind of a nice look, I'm not gonna lie. It's like very like a bohemian looking. But I will say my hair, okay, there's like this one frizzy part here that I think I really stuffed up. I'm just gonna try and redo this quickly. Some of it I went over a few too many times as well, because I straightened it and then curled it like 50 times because I couldn't get it, like this front part I kept curling over. But I am honestly so happy with this. Like I know it's not like a perfect curl job, but that's as perfect as it's gonna get on my first time, and I'm honestly just really impressed with it. So at the moment I would recommend this. I'm gonna let you know in a little text box here how well the curls held, just because my hair does not hold curls like at all. So I want to let you know if they're still there tomorrow after I've slept. It's really late in the night now, so I'm not gonna update you then. But yeah, and today is my first day of clean hair. I washed it last night, so I'll tell you here how it wore over the next few days, if it was flat the next day or whatever, and then you can sort of get an idea, just in case your hair is the same as mine and you're looking for, you want the same things and your hair like just does not hold anything, which is like what my hair does, except for like one product that I'm trying to find a replacement for because it's slowly dying. Anyway, as I was saying, I will let you know how it wears and hopefully it'll be good. Obviously I only have really curls up the front, so we won't judge the back curls, I mean, I did my whole head, but it's just like I don't think I affected, oh, you know, some of these are okay, some of them are a bit straight. We'll see how we go. But anyway guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I'm just going to turn this off now with the little switch. Boom. And it's off. Light's gone. Anyway, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions about anything that I did in this video or the product, let me know and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you would like to like this video or subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate that, and hopefully I will see you soon. Cloud9 is a brand of hair tools. Hair iron, heat iron, whatever you call it. The hair straightening iron, and this is how the iron looks. I've already put little oily fingerprints all over it. Okay, so apparently this, it's all flying falling apart. Well, I'm pretty sure some of this has been on a weird angle, so I apologize for that. I feel like it looks like it's on a weird angle. Anyway,